Ready? Hare Krishna. So you can see here the entrance to the ashram as we walk. Lot of rain, construction time, so there is little kitchen here. Be a little careful while going.
Okay.
And you can see this one also, the tiles will come. It's ready because of heavy rains. They are not completed the job. So you can see the entrance, and here are the rooms. You can see how it's already now. And this is one of the rooms. This room can hold 4-5 devotees can comfortably stay. Still the cupboards are being done, and tables for the devotees to sit down and study. And we are using sleeping on the floor here. Like that, we have 4 rooms here, so around 20 devotees can comfortably stay in this place. And now we will go to the temple hall. You can see the polishing of the windows and doors is still going on. These are the railings just done recently. फायर मिल गया. Hare Krishna. Getting darshan of Srila Prabhupada. Darshan of Shri Radha Govinda. Now you can see this huge hall. This is the temporary residence for the deities. They have built for themselves a nice place. So the deities are comfortable, waiting for the construction to happen. And by Janmashtami, we all want the deities should go to the air-conditioned auditorium, and they will wait there till the main temple hall is over. And if Krishna so permits, by God Purnima, main temple hall should be over. Hare Krishna. You can have a look at the hall. You can see the polishing work is going on. High ceiling. इससे भी ले सकते हैं.
Yeah. What will this be? This is
Ready? So we are now in the dining. You can see here, this is previously planned to be dining. Now it's an air-conditioned auditorium. And you can see the work happening there. The marble is getting cut for laying. Obviously the floor is getting ready. By 7th September Janmashtami, we are targeting to finish this hall. And it's a beautiful place. And at the here you can see the stage, the big stage coming. We are planning to have screen, and we will have 3 options. One option is basically LED wall. It's expensive, costs around 30 lakhs. If we cannot afford that, we can go for what is called laser projector. This costs around 2 lakhs, which can do the job, short throw. And if you can, other option will be, I think one of the two we can take. Normal projectors you can always put with high-end cylinders that can be here, or laser projector with short throw, or the LED wall. One of the three options we put here. And around, it's a beautiful hall. I was thinking we can have like big size TV screens here all around, and in each one we can have one chapter. So person can go and stand, chapter number 1, he sees few important slides, summarize the chapter. He can take a quiz also there, and he can get marks, then go to the next one. We can register people. They can go to each chapter, watch the slides, just in brief, very brief about the chapter, 2-3 slides, main points, and a quiz you have to answer. Then he goes. So people can come for Gita quiz here. They read brief about, and 18 chapters they go, and the 9th chapter can be projected on the big screen or big screen. It can be a learning place. Generally temples, only thing we think about in a temple is a worship place. So this hall can add up to the learning, and the balcony, the earlier told you, we have 6-7 small seminar hall, but this will be a large air-conditioned auditorium. So this will be additional facility. And in the front, we see something very nice. What is coming nice in the front we have already, you can see this is photo store which we are putting, and you can see here we have big cooking area. This will be the pantry when we are serving prasadam in the hall. You can give for here. Daily also we will collect prasadam from here, and through the lift go to the top in the balcony from here in the lift. And this is the kitchen area. This is southeast side of the temple, and as you know, this is the best place for burners. So we'll have burners here continuously for cooking in this area. And then in this kitchen area, inside is the washing area, and the first is the rice boiling, steam boiling area, and you can see what's happening here. Remaining are, there's a washing room, and remaining are the dry storages for vegetables, for grains, for dals, all storages, and room for a manager. Hare Krishna. So this kitchen already is on the way. We have ordered already kitchen. Somebody like to sponsor. All the kitchen equipment is costing us 23 lakhs. Hare Krishna. Entry is from the front side. You can see people are climbing from here, and they will enter the temple hall and they go to take darshan. It's where there's a control room coming. We are utilizing all the space. So here people can sit and control all the audio systems, everything of the temple. Hare Krishna.
So Prabhu, this is the temple hall if I'm correct.
Yes.
So may you please tell me where the deities will be positioned in this grand?
So if you can think about standing here. So this is the DT area coming. 6 feet we have given the space, something like that. From the people can walk from the back side of the DT, and DT will go. This is a stage coming for the DTs, and the altar we have still not built, but you can know by indication this is the Vimana coming above the DTs, 2-story above this. So 4-story of Vimana they're going to have, and DTs will be facing this hall, and they have the balcony. So we have unlimited room for decoration. You can see the thick width. We can have so many pastimes, so many paintings all throughout. So much can happen here.
Yes.
And if you can see, the temple hall is double story. So here behind the DTs, this is the dry area. Here we will have the where the deities take rest, and the jewelry and dress room dry. This is the wet side where we have the kitchen and the area to wash their deity pots, deity arati vessels that will come here. You can see that it's all taking shape there. And if he's come in the front, you see this double-story structure. You can see this structure. It's a double-story, beautiful structure. And it depends how much we can decorate this. As beautiful. The Lord's place should be very beautiful. So here the deities will end, and here is the hall, and we're extending the hall. See how beautiful it looks.
Yes. So Prabhu, how many people will this majestic hall be able to hold?
So if I calculate, this is something like 6,000. Total was around 10,000 square feet, but the deities and the behind area we take out 4,000. So 6,000 square feet places there. Now you can make calculation how many people. I feel it can hold 500 people.
Wow, that's a lot.
Standing.
That's a lot.
And maybe 300 people sitting. Hare Krishna. So this is the area for parikrama. The people can come. We have an extra entry also from the top. Otherwise the entry of this thing is from the front. And people can walk and go around the deities also in this. Question.
So this is a wonderful area. So this is a wonderful area you have here, Prabhu. What will you plan on using all this land here in the balcony with the deities?
So the hall is very big. So I think the hall with the, that you can see the huge hall will not need any people, more people. I think the capacity is done. So the above what we made the balcony, because we develop by online courses, we develop offline courses. Right in the temple hall, on the upstairs, we will have 7-8 beautiful auditoriums. So that is what is going to come.
Wow, so what type of classes will these auditoriums hold?
We teach in 12 languages Bhagavad Gita, so we need 12 auditoriums. We are having only 7-8 here. 3 on each side, 6 like that. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. So we are here at the top of our temple. We have Anirudh with us. He's come from Pennsylvania, America, and he has a lot of questions.
Hare Krishna. So, Prabhu, what is this place?
This is the top of the temple, the final floor, and we have done the final slab. Little work remains, as you can see here. The slope is to be casted. As you can see in the front, the tiles will be put like this on it, because in Mangalore it rains. So the building has to be, a slope has to be put so that the water can pass away. You can see all beautiful greenery all around. You all can see. This is a beautiful place. And a lot of people have planned to shift to this place. When the Seva to Radha Govinda starts, you also will be ready. Hare Krishna.
So what will this entire area behind you be used for, Prabhu?
We can use it as an auditorium. In the morning time, we can all come, sit and chant here. And we can have kirtans here. And if possible, we can have some kind of a covering which can be put and open, because if rain collects here, now it's okay, but in the long term it may cause seepage. So we'll need some kind of a system. But this is the final hall. You can see huge hall, around 6,000, 7,000 square foot big hall.
Wow, that's great.